are hosting the second edition of MAS Paints and AUD collaboration, the workshop that every year we do during the Dubai Design Week. This year, the Dubai Design Week in AUD is pretty intense. We have so many events and initiatives, and this is one of our major workshops. We have so much attendance. We are very happy about again hosting and having MAS Paints with us, with part of our extended family. Attendees will create a mural mixing colors from MAS Paints, mixing paint, and create unique colors that will be then part of this mural that we will keep in AUD for a long time.
Working with tomorrow's interior designers, it's a really great time to really talk to them, to get them thinking about the importance of artwork, the process, to really start getting them to think about it as part of their design process. It's really exciting because at this point in it's their future career. Right now, anything's possible. For them, when they start thinking about it, you can see the light bulbs going off. For me, that's amazing. Obviously, as tomorrow's interior designers, but even as a conversation for me to have, it's very inspiring to come down and just kind of strip it back to a much more moment.
And I just love doing this, and I'm really grateful to AUD, which gave us this platform to do this, and I just loved it.
It was fun creating compositions and stuff like that, getting our hands messy and everything. It's a fun activity to do out of class, out of the ordinary theory.
In AUD, I also got the certificate.
My plan for the future is to be the best interior designer in the Middle East.